Imagine this, the Moon, our constant nightly companion, suddenly on a collision course with Earth. What would happen? Brace yourself for the ultimate catastrophe. First off, the immediate impact would be catastrophic. The collision would release an unimaginable amount of energy. We're talking about an explosion that makes the biggest nuclear bomb look like a firecracker. Massive earthquakes would ripple through the crust, leveling cities and reshaping continents. Tsunamis would surge across oceans, engulfing coastlines in a matter of minutes. Volcanic eruptions would spew ash and lava, darkening the skies and choking the air. It would be the most destructive event in our planet's history. But that's just the beginning. The collision would launch enormous amounts of debris into the atmosphere. This debris would block sunlight, causing temperatures to plummet in a phenomenon known as a nuclear winter. Imagine a world where the sun is a faint memory, where crops wither and die, and where ecosystems collapse. This dramatic shift in climate would lead to widespread crop failures and severe disruptions to the delicate balance of life on Earth. Long term, the consequences would be even more devastating. The Moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt and rotation. Without it, Earth's wobble would become erratic, leading to unpredictable and extreme climate changes. Seasons would become chaotic, weather patterns would be thrown into disarray. The very environment that supports life would be radically altered, making long-term habitability an enormous challenge. Survival in this new world would be incredibly difficult. The catastrophic environmental changes would drive many species to extinction. Only the hardiest and most adaptable forms of life might stand a chance. But for humanity, the outlook would be grim. With our food sources depleted, our infrastructure destroyed, and our climate in chaos, survival would be a daily struggle. Most experts agree that such an event would likely result in a mass extinction, wiping out most, if not all, life on Earth. So, the next time you look up at the Moon, remember this. It's not just a beautiful sight in the night sky. It's a crucial part of our planet's delicate balance. Let's hope it stays right where it is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating science content. See you next time.